Brooks Boulanger here with B&B Drainage Solutions, and this video, it's not going to be a drainage video. I still do some maintenance work so far as like landscape work, and this is a tree trimming job that I did. I got a large pin oak I'm going to limb up, and then also a crabapple tree that has to be taken down. I'm not a lumberjack by any means. I'm not an arborist. I know a little bit about trees. I understand the principles so far as how to correctly remove a tree branch from a tree. So we've got some of that information in this video, and thought I'd just bring this to you, share it with you. So hope you enjoy it, and as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I do have some drainage videos coming up here in the next couple of days. Thanks, guys. Okay, so I was getting ready to start on that pin oak over there, and I noticed something laying in the ground over here. It's a deer leg. Throw it on the barbecue pit and have some deer meat. Anyway, so let's get started on this pin oak right here. So let me show you something real quick. Whenever trimming limbs from a tree, this is called the bark ridge right here. Okay, you don't ever want to cut into that. On the bottom side, you're going to find a branch collar. Typically, maples have a more pronounced branch collar. This limb up here that I've already cut, you see the underside, it's kind of swollen. That's your branch collar. You don't want to cut into that. So when I cut that remaining bit off, I'm going to cut it at an angle, not getting into the bark ridge, and then I'm going to come down, not cutting the branch collar completely off. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody here with me to hold the camera while I do it, so I'll have to do it and then show you. I don't know, let me see if I can stick this damn camera on my head. I wonder if that'll work. You can see from years ago, that's a limb I cut, I think about 3 years ago, how well it healed up, and that's what we want. So this is the crabapple tree right here. I'm going to get it completely out of here. They did say something about, look, this isn't me, maybe leaving this part here so she could put a bird bath on it or something. I don't know. I don't know how that'll look, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it, but I'll leave this here. Sorry, poor camera work. I'll leave this here, and then if she wants to do that, she can. If she doesn't like the look, then I can take the stump all the way to the ground form. This should be pretty straightforward. Everything's going this way. Just have to, can't drop it all at once, because if I do, I'll smash the holly bushes right there. So I'll probably just take these sections off, and then these 3 main limbs right there, I'll drop all those and let them come over. Try not to break and kill anything in the process. This one up here, let's try and get it to come down and not smack the roof and take the gutter off. I know what I'm doing a little bit with the chainsaw, but I am no means, I ain't no damn Paul Bunyan lumberjack. But I think if I just cut it slowly and let it start to fall, I can grab it and pull it away from the roof. So that's what I'm going to try and do. That's the most damn crooked notch I ever seen. I'm all done here. I don't have time to go down in the bottom. I'm going to show you guys the river, but I'm not going to have time for it. This is that Pin Oka all finished up. I'll mow next week. All this scrub brush under here, I'll just mow it over whenever I mow. There's that sweet gum that I trimmed up. And then over here, gum, or excuse me, the crabapple was. Threw down some mulch. Good to go. Alright, I'm all done. I'm tired. I'm gonna get out of here. Until next time.